So, this activity will give you an opportunity to explore 4 different types of bullets. Bullets are a great way of listing items and staying organized within a Google Doc. So, the first direction reads write 5 food shopping items for your favorite meal using bullets for each item. Please remember to hit return after each line for another bullet to show up. So it says you can use the toolbar up here for the bullets. So up in the toolbar, if you don't see the toolbar, you may want to hit the down arrow here in the upper right hand corner, and then the toolbar will appear. Okay, so if you see the shortcut here for bullets, you'll see a down arrow. Click the down arrow and pick a bullet of your choice. Now, I clicked the star and notice that the bullet showed up where my cursor was at the top of the page. You want to make sure that your cursor is placed where you want the first bullet to show up. So I'm going to hit undo. I'm going to place my cursor underneath the first direction and start again. I'm going to click the down arrow and hit the star. So my first food shopping item will be for my meal lasagna. So I'm going to type lasagna noodles, sauce, meat, ricotta cheese, and bread. Okay, so if you see a word that has a red underline underneath of it, it means that it's misspelled. And the way that you can correct your misspelling is by holding down the control and clicking on the word control, and you click onto the word, and it will give you a correct spelling of the word. So I have 5 bullet items here. I'm going to scroll down to the next direction. Write a list of your 5 top favorite movies or video games or TV shows using the symbol bullet. Now, just pick a different type of bullet than what you picked from the first set. So I'm going to make sure my cursor is placed underneath direction number 2. I'm going to go up to the toolbar. I'm going to hit the down arrow and pick something else. So 5 favorite movies: Elf, Toy Story, Moana, I don't know, 27 Dresses, and I don't know, The Village. Okay, so that's 5 favorite movies. I'm going to go down here to the next direction, and it says write a list of your 5 favorite animals using a numeric bullet, which is the same thing as numbers. So up in the toolbar, where we went and used the bullets for the first 2 set of directions, we're going to move over to the right here. And over to the right are numbered bullets. So I'm going to click the down arrow and find 1, 2, 3, 4 bullets. I'm going to click on that. Notice the number 1 showed up. 5 favorite animals: fox, owl, dog, cat, horse. Okay? My last direction is write a list of 5 favorite places you would like to go to or would love to visit if you could using the alphabetic bullet. And now that's ABC bullets. So the ABC bullet is also under the numbered bullet list. So you'll go up to the toolbar and you'll click the down arrow and you will find the ABC bullets. So I'm going to just type in 5 favorite places I wish I could go to, and if it goes to page 2, that's okay. And that's it. 5 alphabetic bullets. That concludes the bullet activity, please submit this in Schoology.